In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master slide in PowerPoint step by step. Master slides are invaluable as they let you apply a uniform look and feel across your presentation, saving you valuable time. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure that you're entering the program with a presentation in mind that you'd like to customize. Once you have PowerPoint opened, navigate to your presentation file. This could be a new presentation you're starting from scratch or one you're looking to enhance with a consistent look. With your presentation open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find various menu tabs. Locate the tab labeled View. This will serve as your gateway to modifying the underlying elements of your slides. Once you click on the View tab, you'll find an array of options for altering how you see and interact with your slides. Here, it's essential to focus on Slide Master, which is pivotal for the changes we're going to implement, so go ahead and click on Slide Master. Now that you're in the Slide Master view, you'll want to find and click on the very first slide visible in this mode. This slide acts as the blueprint for all others, letting any modifications ripple across your entire presentation seamlessly. Once this slide is selected, we're ready to add some visual elements. Switch gears by moving over to the Insert tab. This is where you can bring in additional elements like pictures, which can enhance your design visually. To start, let's add a picture. Click on Picture, which will prompt a dialog allowing you to browse your computer. Choose an image that you want to feature, potentially a logo or background image that ties in with your theme. After selecting your image, click Insert to incorporate it into your slide. Once the image is on your slide, it will likely sit on top of any text boxes or existing design elements. To ensure it perfectly integrates without obscuring important content, you'll want to right-click on your image and select Send to Back. This will position your image behind any text or vital elements, giving a seamless appearance. Next, depending on the opacity and prominence you want for your image, head over to the Picture Format tab. Sometimes subtlety is more effective, so adjusting the opacity can create an understated background that complements rather than competes. Locate the transparency settings under the picture format menu and adjust the opacity of your image until you achieve your desired appearance. And there you have it. You've successfully created a master slide that will lend a professional and cohesive look to your PowerPoint presentation. Remember to save your work as you go to ensure all your modifications are securely stored. With these steps, your presentation is not only tailored but also streamlined for any future updates. Don't forget to experiment with different layouts and designs to make your presentations truly stand out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.